Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a rose. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this content. I used this rose illustration in my June bullet journal, and I wanted to share how easy this rose is to draw out. I've got my pink pig sketchbook, mechanical pencil and a rubber. Starting off in the centre, and I'm drawing out a circle. Next, I'm going around the circle with some broken curved lines in a circular motion. I'm adding some small petals on the top and the bottom of the bud. I'm adding 2 more petals on each of the sides and slightly overlapping them. As I'm moving out, I'm carrying on with that same idea of overlapping each of the petals, and also it helps when there are gaps so you can connect and add your next petal. As you're moving further out, you want to be making your petals larger and larger. And when I draw out these petals, I like to wiggle my pencil, as this also can help it look natural, as I don't want those harsh lines. As I'm happy with the rose, I'm going to add in some leaves. I'm placing some at the top and the bottom, but of course you can add the leaves where you want to. And again, I don't want those leaves to have that harsh edge, so I wiggle my pencil, and this helps it have more of a flow when I'm drawing. Next, I'm going to be adding a few berries at the top and the bottom, and just drawing out an oval shape near the leaves, then connecting them all with small branches. To finish this illustration, I'm adding some long, thin leaves. So starting off with a curved line and then adding on the leaves. I'm just placing these randomly near the larger leaves and spacing them out. These leaves are great for filling in any gaps for any illustrations. This is definitely one of my go-to leaf designs to use. I always add the extra details last, so lines on the leaves or a few bits of line shading. And here is this simple and easy rose illustration. I also drew this out in different techniques so you can see what this illustration can look like when you use different materials. This is one pigment microns and line shading. And this one is colour markers and pigment microns, and this last one is using acrylic paints. It's nice to see the same design but using different techniques. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it easy to follow. Thanks for watching.